Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to log out of Coinbase on all devices. So the first thing you need to know is I don't have a Coinbase application, a Coinbase account, but I got to you some screenshots, some photos for explain to you the process. So the first step when you go to in your PC is this page, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile in the superior right corner. This is a Spanish account, so I translate to you the option. So here said configuración. In English, this is settings. You need to pick here, and in settings you need to go to the option of actividad. This is in English is activity. You need to pick here in activity, and after that you can see all your device. Here it said actividad de cuenta. This is the activity of the account, and the dispositivos confirmados. This is the device you have open your account. So here in the left side you got this the device you want to eliminate, and in this part you can eliminate. Pick here in the X in the right corner, in the end of the right corner you pick in this X, and you can delete the account of any of this advice. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.